Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a character in Character AI. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Character AI account, which of course I have done right here. Now, if you don't have an account on Character AI, it's pretty much simple. Launch any browser of your choice. So once you do that, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type better.character.ai and it's going to take you to the official website. At the top right corner, you're going to find the sign up button. Click on that and follow through with the on-screen prompts to create your account. Then once you've created your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Character AI. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's task, which is how to make a character in Character AI. It's very simple. How do you do that? Now check the left corner of your screen. You're going to see a few options. Home, you're going to see feed, you're going to see create, you're going to see chart, you're going to see community. So go ahead and click on create. Now once you click on create, you're going to see an extended menu that says create a character and create a room. Now go ahead and click on create a character. And now once you do this, it's going to take you to the settings where you have to now customize the settings, fill up all the blank spaces, and just create your character. So this is name. What name are we giving our new character? Let's say Angel. So it says, hi, I'm Angel as the greeting. Yeah, so it says, hi, I'm Angel. Or you can just remove all of these and say, what would you love Angel to do for you? All right, so this is the first thing that I'm going to see once I launch my character. So click out, and then this is toggle image generation, enable image generation for this character. I think I love that. And then this is visibility. You can tweak the settings. I want to make it private, but just know that even if you don't make it private, your conversations with your character AIs are private. They're private and they're secure, but let's just make this private. And then I'm going to click on create image. So you can either choose to create an image or choose a file from your systems folder. So I'm going to click create an image, and my image clearly describes it's Angel. I need an image for Angel. I'm going to click on create. I'm going to see the options that are available for Angel. With you, I think if you don't like this, go ahead and click on create again, and then it's going to show you another option. So just go ahead and just keep clicking on create until you get the exact one that you no, don't want that kind of Angel. It's too exposed. All right, so it's pretty beautiful, but I don't know if they have something else. Oh, we have Angel, but the angels are just really exposed, and it's something decent and beautiful. Okay, I like this. Now go ahead and click on set avatar. All right, so the next is edit details advanced. So you can see that picture has been set, so we can now go ahead and click on advanced settings. So here you're going to see others. So suggested status, add a new status if you want to. What are some examples of how users could begin a chat with Angel? You can do that if you want to add a short description. Just a few how would Angel describe themselves. You can add that. You can add a short description or long description. And then the categories and also relevant tags and keywords. And then character voice if you want Angel to speak, to talk. All right, if you want to enable that, then you can definitely enable that. Just go ahead and click on this drop down menu and then select you're gonna have to select the character. All right, so all right, so select the character that you want some kind of voicing on. So once you've selected that, then that's just gonna be sweet, and you have your okay. So that's if you want that. So if you want to just enable that, and then image generation, which is already enabled, and visibility and example conversation. So all of this stuff, you can just go ahead and just look at them instantly and see how you can work with them. So there's actually nothing else for me to do here. Just all I just want to know is that my character has been successfully created. So let's say Angel is is the most generous person in the world. This doesn't say this is done. Okay. So here you have cancel and save. Click on save and my character has been successfully uploaded. Awesome. So scroll the way up and go back to home. So where's my character? So that's just me refreshing. Okay. Okay, maybe it's just gonna take time. It's just gonna take some time for it to come up, but then that's just pretty much the process. All right. So just go ahead and click on create, and it's just gonna take some time for it to appear. But just as I've created this mark, you're gonna see the next character is just gonna come up here. Okay, it's not supposed to take time, so just ensure that you have a strong internet connection that is going to enable that. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video helped your search.